Apple isn't entering the foldable market just to check a box. They're not doing it because Samsung did it. They're not doing it because Google did it. And they're definitely not doing it because of pressure. If the iPhone Fold is real, and at this point, the leaks are lining up, Apple is stepping in to fix what everyone else still hasn't. 2 words: battery life and the crease. Let's start with the battery. Fresh reports out of Weibo, highlighted by sources like 9to5Mac, claim Apple is testing the foldable iPhone with a massive 5,500 mAh battery. Let that sink in. For comparison, even the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to land around 5,200 mAh, already huge by Apple standards. If the iPhone Fold really ships with 5,500 mAh, it would be the largest battery ever inside an iPhone. And that's not random. Foldables are power-hungry. You've got a massive internal display, higher brightness levels, multitasking features, split-screen apps, and more complex hardware overall. Early foldables looked futuristic, but the battery percentage dropping all day? That was the trade-off. The hardware impressed you. The battery anxiety stressed you out. If Apple is targeting true all-day battery life on a foldable, that's not just an upgrade. That's strategy. Now let's talk about the bigger problem, the crease. No matter how refined foldables have become, that visible line down the middle still reminds you the tech isn't perfect. Samsung improved it, Google refined it, OnePlus minimized it, but no one has eliminated it. Leaks suggest Apple is aggressively pushing for a near crease-free display. And that's the hardest engineering challenge in this entire category. If Apple significantly reduces or almost removes the crease, every current foldable instantly feels older. And they're not stopping there. Reports also mention a redesigned hinge system, stronger internal chassis reinforcement, camera upgrades, even repositioned volume buttons higher on the frame for better usability when unfolded. That last detail sounds small, but ergonomics matter on a device this size. Apple tends to obsess over those details. The focus here seems clear: real all-day battery life, long-term durability, a cleaner, more premium display experience. Because let's be honest, the biggest concerns holding people back from foldables aren't excitement. It's durability. It's battery anxiety. It's that crease. Apple hasn't officially confirmed the iPhone Fold, but the consistency of these leaks suggests serious internal testing is happening. And this doesn't feel rushed. It feels calculated. If Apple launches a foldable iPhone with a 5,500 mAh battery, improved hinge durability, and a nearly crease-free display, it won't just be, Apple finally made a foldable. It could redefine how mainstream consumers view foldable phones entirely. So here's the real question: if Apple delivers on battery and fixes the crease, is that enough to make you switch? Or are foldables still a hard pass? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.